Previously in search, you could use the Condo Association and HOA control fields to modify results by selecting the yes or no options. In order to add the ability to search based on the combination of these fields, a new residential search field has been added, and it is now called the Condo Co-op Association or HOA field. You can find this by going to Residential Sale in your search criteria and scrolling down towards the bottom. It's in the legal section, and you can see it says Condo Co-op Association or HOA. So the new Condo Co-op Association or HOA field enables you to select both Condo and Co-op Association and HOA as part of your search criteria by clicking Control or Command on a Mac for your keyboard. Refine search results to return properties that have both a Condo Co-op Association and an HOA by clicking the AND button. Refine search results to return properties that have either a Condo Co-op Association or an HOA. Remove from your search results properties that are not a part of Condo Co-op Associations or an HOA by selecting Not. That will exclude all of the search result properties that are a part of condo associations. If you prefer to search for properties that belong to a Condo Co-op Association but not an HOA, both the Condo Co-op Association field and the HOA yes/no field are available to add as an additional field. Not sure how to add an additional field? Let's quickly walk through those steps. Scroll down to the very bottom of your search criteria page, and you will find additional fields Add Remove section. We have over 500 searchable fields in the system that you can add as part of your search criteria. In this example, since we want to search only for properties that belong to Condo Co-op Association and not an HOA, we will search for Condo Co-op as our additional field. Once we start typing in our desired field, all matching results will return in the Available Field section. Highlight Condo Co-op Association and then select Add to move it to the Selected Field section. This will add that field to your search criteria page. Hit the back button at the very bottom to take you back to your search criteria, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom to find your Additional Field section. You will see your newly added field, and you can now select yes or no. Walk through these same steps if you'd like to add HOA yes, no as an additional field as well. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and system updates from Bright. Have a great week.